Hello everyone, my name is Alexander J. I'm a Turo host in the Tucson, Arizona area, and today we're going to be discussing the top 10 Black Friday deals to help you with your Turo business. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'll just let you know before we get into it, I'm going to leave affiliate links in the description of the video. If there's anything that you need for your Turo business or you're considering starting Turo, you can go into the description and click those links. I'll get a little bit of a kickback, which helps support the channel. So I appreciate you watching. Number one, we have a 24 pack of microfiber cloths. Now, you're going to need these for any and every aspect of cleaning your vehicle. If you use anything other than microfiber, if you're using paper towels or just a regular towel, you're going to leave residue. And a 24 pack on sale on Black Friday is something you're absolutely going to need for your fleet. Number two is the Armor All cleaning wipes. It's a 90 pack, 90 count. It'll get you going for a little while, keep you in the running. You're not going to run out fast, but it's on sale for Black Friday. And keeping your car clean is an absolute necessity. Number three is the Chemical Guys 14-piece car wash kit. So just like the interior, it needs attention, it needs cleaning, the exterior does as well. So this kit is going to basically have everything that you need from nose to tail to be able to clean your vehicle. Number four are Apple AirTags. You need to know where your vehicle is at all times. There's a few different routes that you can take, one of which is the cheapest barrier to entry, is going to be an Apple AirTag. As long as you're disclosing to your guests that the car is being monitored, you're going to be all right. But what I have linked below is 4 Apple AirTags. They're on sale for Black Friday, and add those to your cart if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to track your vehicles. Number 5 is the Tracky Pro GPS tracker. Now, this one does come with a subscription service. I personally have not used it. I use the Bouncies. I could not find those on sale for Black Friday. So this might be a good option for you. It does come with a subscription, so it may be a little bit more in depth as far as what it shows you versus the Apple AirTags. Number 6, I feel like is one of the most important things that you can get for your car. This is an ozone generator. And people don't understand how easy it is to actually get cigarette smell or other odors out of your vehicle. I've had multiple guests smoking in my vehicles, and 20 minutes with this ozone generator, it's completely eliminated the scent. At 50% off, I think you cannot go without purchasing an ozone generator. Number 7, while we're on the topic of smelling good, absolutely recommend some type of air freshener. I personally use the little trees, but these Air Jungle car fresheners just clip onto your vents and they leave a good impression for when your guests first get into your vehicle and keep it smelling nice throughout their trip. Number 8 is the Armor All Dry Utility Vac. In my opinion, you're going to need some kind of industrial grade vacuum for your vehicles. So making sure that you get a good shop vac that's plenty powerful for all the jobs that you may incur. I went through and found the one with the best discount for you. Number 9 is a headlight restoration kit. Now, your headlights over time will start to dull, which ultimately can be a liability to your guests. So you want to make sure that they're clean, they're clear. We found one on sale for Black Friday. So if that's something you're going to need for your fleet, definitely would go pick one up. Number 10, last but not least, we talked about cleanliness a lot throughout all these products, but tire shine, something as simple as tire shine. The inside's looking good, it's smelling good, it's vacuumed right, the outside's looking good. You want to make sure that you add that extra little pizzazz to your vehicle. So go ahead, check it out. The tire shine is there. It's on sale for Black Friday, and that is the 10 items that you need as a Turo host. If you guys need more information about anything, if you have any questions about Turo, leave me a comment below. Subscribe if you'd like to see some more content. And that's it for today. Love you guys. Have a good one.